Caspar here on the 7th of October 2021. I've got to say I drink pitifully few wines from Alsace. It's a shame, but this is one of my favourites, and I'd forgotten I had a bottle of this left. Actually, I must say this is quite definitely the last bottle out of the case I bought many years ago. So this is 2005 Riesling Moenchberg Grand Cru Vineyard Moenchberg from domain Ostertag, and I think a really top producer Ostertag, and this is kind of their top wine, I think, really, in terms of dry wines. And I don't know if you can see the colour there. Take on this extraordinary sort of honeyed gold colour, which might actually, in normal course of things, give cause for some alarm pouring it out and seeing that it was that colour, but sinking your nose in, you know that all is well. I must say, this is as usual, mature wines, how hard they are to describe. Nothing petrol here at all, nothing of that old Riesling sort of diesel note. This is all about the most exotic fruit on a base of lime. I'm getting pink grapefruit and a little bit of mango. Spice, lovely sweet spice to it. Bit of peach and apricot, dried apricot. It's the most stunning aroma, I've got to say. Clean. Has a whistle. I don't detect any botrytis or clean as a whip, and that lovely spice lingers. Mm. It's plush on entry, it's so resolved, and actually it's firmed up, I think, with a bit of air. It was really quite soft on opening, and I think it's taken on structure with the air. And similar notes running through it. This grippy, upright, piquant spiciness runs right through it, with the pineapple and peach and particularly apricot fruit. It's nicely long. It's got nice definition. It's dry, but it's got this fleshiness to the fruit, through which comes that superb structure, and then it dies on a muddle of dry, earthy structure, almost slaty, but rocky sort of structure to it, and lovely freshness, a slightly pithy, grapefruity kind of freshness to it. Wow, the whole case has been utterly fabulous. I bought this, the 05 vintage of, and I'm drinking some 2010 vintage as well. Alas, it's got a lot more expensive recently, this wine. But you know, if ginger as well. It's almost got a stem ginger thing going on. You know, if I do drink Alsace wines seldom, and I do, this is the kind of thing I want to break up those intermissions with. It's absolutely fabulous. Not only fabulous, but incredible, just absolutely fascinating as well. It's got sort of turmeric and ginger and apricot and so many things going on in there. It's a really lovely thing. So that's been 2005 Riesling Moenchberg from domain Ostertag. It's tiny lettering. I think it says 13.5% alcohol, but I don't care. I don't care what the alcohol level is. I just care that it's completely lovely. It's a delicious thing. Enjoying it all.